Welcome back to Vernon's Speakeasy. We're here doing easy cocktails with ingredients you should already have at home and already have preset. And if not, you maybe have to buy one or two. Don't cry about it, move on. We'll take care of you. Today, we're keeping it easy, classic, light. A delicious sangria. So what you'll need is a red or white. Today we're doing red, so that way I can influence a little bit more with just a little bit more juice, a little bit more lemon and lime. We'll equate it to about 4 ounces going in. And then this is one of those few cocktails that's super fun, super easy, because you can just make it right in the glass. You don't have to do anything extra, you don't have to do any extra shaking. We'll put in just about 1.5 ounces of orange juice. Now, for most cocktails, I always think you have to have your elements of lemon and lime juice in there. So we're gonna do 1 full ounce of lime, 1 full ounce of lemon, and then last but not least, we're gonna give it just a light sparkling element to go along with it. A little bit of Prosecco, or in this case, just sparkling brut. Now all we'll need is our ice. And then since we're using lemon and lime juice and red wine, just a nice classic fruit garnish, something we can snack on while we're enjoying our fantastic sangria. Now again, no shake needed, none of that necessary. Quick, easy, one done, here we go. What was that? You say less than 45 seconds to actually make the cocktail? Yeah, one of the quickest, easiest ones. A little stir, and let's see how it turns out. Delicious. Now you can have your choices of wine as well. We chose St. Clair's Members Red. It's New Mexico wine, a little bit sweeter, red blend. You can of course go a little bit drier if you wanted, go more Pinot Noirs even. It's really up to you and what kind of wine you really like. Thanks for joining us, and come back for another cocktail.